Autodesk Fusion Online Training. Introduction to Autodesk Fusion. Autodesk Fusion is a one-stop shop for taking your ideas from concept to creation. It's a cloud-based software that combines several powerful tools under one roof, including 3D design and modeling. Fusion offers a wide variety of tools for creating 3D models, from sketching and sculpting to working with sheet metal and assembling complex parts. Computer-aided manufacturing. CAM. Once your design is complete, Fusion helps you generate toolpaths for CNC machines, allowing you to seamlessly transition from design to manufacturing. Computer-aided engineering. CAE simulate real-world conditions to test your design's strength, thermal performance, and more, all within Fusion. Printed circuit board, PCB, design and layout circuit boards directly within Fusion, ideal for projects that integrate electronics. Generative design. Specify your design goals and let Fusion generate multiple design options that meet your requirements, optimizing for factors like weight or manufacturability. Collaboration and data management. Being cloud-based, Fusion allows for easy collaboration with team members and keeps all project data centralized and accessible. What is Autodesk Fusion? Autodesk Fusion 360 is a cloud-based 3D modeling, CAD, CAM, and CAE software platform developed by Autodesk. It is used for product design, engineering, and manufacturing. Fusion 360 combines industrial and mechanical design, simulation, collaboration, and machining in a single package. It allows users to create 3D models, renderings, animations, and simulations, as well as generate toolpaths for CNC machining. Its cloud-based nature enables easy collaboration and access to designs from anywhere with an internet connection. Fusion 360 is popular among professionals, hobbyists, and students alike for its powerful capabilities and ease of use. How does Autodesk Fusion compare to other design software? Integrated toolset. Fusion 360 provides a comprehensive suite of tools for 3D modeling, simulation, rendering, and collaboration, all within a single platform. This integration streamlines the design process and reduces the need for switching between multiple software programs. Cloud-based collaboration. Fusion 360 is cloud-based, allowing for seamless collaboration among team members regardless of their location. Multiple users can work on the same design simultaneously, facilitating real-time feedback and iteration. Parametric modeling. Fusion 360 offers parametric modeling capabilities, allowing designers to create complex designs while maintaining control over dimensions, relationships, and design intent. This makes it easier to iterate on designs and make modifications throughout the design process. Generative design. Fusion 360 includes generative design tools that use algorithms to explore a wide range of design options based on specified criteria, such as weight reduction or material usage. This helps designers optimize their designs for performance and efficiency. CAM, computer-aided manufacturing, integration. Fusion 360 seamlessly integrates CAD and CAM functionality, allowing designers to create toolpaths directly from their 3D models. This integration streamlines the transition from design to manufacturing, reducing errors and saving time. Accessibility. Fusion 360 is available on a subscription basis, making it accessible to both professional designers and hobbyists. Additionally, Autodesk offers free licenses for students and educators, helping to foster the next generation of designers and engineers. Regular updates and support. Autodesk regularly updates Fusion 360 with new features and improvements based on user feedback and industry trends. Additionally, users have access to a wealth of online resources, tutorials, and community forums for support and guidance. What are the key features of Autodesk Fusion? Autodesk Fusion 360 is a comprehensive 3D CAD, CAM, and CAE tool. It is used extensively in product design, engineering, and manufacturing. Here are the key features of Autodesk Fusion 360. 1. Unified platform. Cloud-based. Fusion 360 is a cloud-based tool, which means it can be accessed from anywhere, allowing for easy collaboration and version control. Integrated environment combines CAD, CAM, and CAE tools in one platform, facilitating a seamless workflow from design to manufacturing. 2. Design tools. Parametric modeling allows for the creation of precise, change-driven models. Freeform modeling enables sculpting and tweaking of organic shapes using T-splines technology. Direct modeling lets users directly manipulate geometry without needing a history of operations. Surface modeling tools for creating and editing complex surfaces. 3. Engineering and simulation. Finite element analysis FEA performs stress, thermal, and model analysis to validate the performance of designs under various conditions. Generative design uses AI to explore multiple design alternatives based on specified constraints and requirements. Assembly modeling manages complex assemblies with tools to create relationships and constraints between components. 4. Manufacturing. CAM, computer-aided manufacturing includes tools for CNC programming, including 2.5-axis, 3-axis, and 5-axis milling, turning, and water jet cutting. Additive manufacturing supports 3D printing with tools for generating support structures and preparing models for various types of 3D printers. Toolpath simulation allows users to simulate the toolpath to identify potential issues before actual machining. What are the main tools and functions in Autodesk Fusion? Autodesk Fusion 360 is a comprehensive 3D CAD, CAM, and CAE tool that combines industrial and mechanical design, simulation, collaboration, and machining in a single package. Here are some of the main tools and functions in Autodesk Fusion 360. 1. Design. Sketching. Create 2D sketches using lines, circles, arcs, rectangles, polygons, splines, and more. Sketch constraints and dimensions help in defining accurate geometries. Parametric modeling. Build 3D models by creating and modifying parametric features such as extrudes, revolves, sweeps, and lofts. Direct modeling. Modify existing geometry directly without needing a history-based approach, allowing for quick changes and edits. Freeform modeling. Use T-splines to create complex organic shapes by pushing, pulling, and sculpting surfaces. 2. Manufacture. CAM, computer-aided manufacturing create toolpaths for CNC machining operations such as milling, turning, and cutting. This includes 2.5-axis, 3-axis, and 5-axis machining capabilities. Additive manufacturing, prepare models for 3D printing, including generating support structures and slicing the model. 3. Simulation. Finite element analysis, FEA performs stress, thermal, and model analysis on your models to ensure they will withstand real-world conditions. Generative design, explore design alternatives based on specified criteria like weight, strength, and material usage. 4. Electronics. PCB design, design printed circuit boards, PCBs, with integrated schematic and layout tools. Includes SPICE simulation for circuit analysis. How does Autodesk Fusion support collaboration? Autodesk Fusion 360 supports collaboration in several ways, making it easier for teams to work together on design projects. Here are the key features that facilitate collaboration. Cloud-based platform. Fusion 360 is a cloud-based platform, which means that files and projects are stored in the cloud. This allows team members to access the latest version of a design from anywhere with an internet connection. Real-time collaboration. Multiple users can work on the same project simultaneously. Real-time collaboration tools allow team members to see changes as they happen, facilitating a more dynamic and interactive design process. Version control and history tracking. Fusion 360 automatically saves versions of the project, making it easy to track changes and revert to previous versions if necessary. This ensures that all team members are working with the most up-to-date information. Comments and markups. Team members can add comments and markups directly on the design. This feature allows for clear communication and feedback, helping to address issues and make improvements efficiently. Access control and permissions. Project administrators can control who has access to the project and what level of permissions they have. This ensures that only authorized users can make changes to the design, enhancing security and integrity. Project sharing. Designers can share projects with stakeholders, clients, or other team members via a shareable link. This makes it easy to collaborate with people outside the immediate team or organization. Integrated CAD, CAM, and CAE tools. Fusion 360 integrates CAD, computer-aided design, CAM, computer-aided manufacturing, and CAE, computer-aided engineering, tools in a single platform. This integration facilitates a seamless workflow, reducing the need to switch between different software applications and enhancing collaboration across different stages of the product development process. What are some notable projects created using Autodesk Fusion? Autodesk Fusion 360 is a powerful, cloud-based 3D CAD, CAM, and CAE tool designed for product design and manufacturing. It has been used in various notable projects across multiple industries, showcasing its versatility and robust capabilities. Here are some notable projects. 1. Hacksmith Industries Exoskeletons and Gadgets. Project Exoskeletons, Lightsabers, and other tech gadgets inspired by science fiction. Description: Hacksmith Industries, famous for their YouTube channel, uses Fusion 360 to design and prototype real-life versions of popular fictional gadgets. Their projects include building functional exoskeletons and plasma lightsabers. 2. Lunar Rover by Team Indus. Project Lunar Rover for Google Lunar X Prize. Description: Team Indus, an Indian aerospace startup, designed a lunar rover using Fusion 360. The rover was created for the Google Lunar X Prize competition, showcasing the software's capability in high-precision, aerospace-grade projects. 3. Ovine Turbine by Nicolas Orellana and Yasin Noorani. Project Ovine Turbine. Description: This innovative urban wind turbine, designed to capture wind from any direction, won the 2018 James Dyson Award. Fusion 360 was pivotal in the design and simulation phases of the project, allowing the designers to iterate and optimize their design efficiently. 4. MX3DS 3D Printed Steel Bridge. Project 3D Printed Steel Bridge in Amsterdam. Description: MX3D used Fusion 360 to design and develop the world's first 3D printed steel bridge, installed over the Ouderzijds Achterbergwal Canal in Amsterdam. The project demonstrated Fusion 360's strength in handling complex, large-scale designs and simulations. What are the latest updates and developments in Autodesk Fusion? The latest updates and developments in Autodesk Fusion, formerly known as Autodesk Fusion 360, include significant enhancements across various areas of the software, reflecting Autodesk's commitment to improving user experience, performance, and capabilities. Key updates and features. Rebranding and pricing changes. Autodesk Fusion 360 has been rebranded to Autodesk Fusion. This rebranding comes with updated visuals including a new app icon, splash screen, and in-app naming conventions. Pricing changes were introduced in January 2024, affecting commercial licenses. The new pricing is $85 monthly, $680 annually, and $2,040 for a 3-year subscription. Existing annual subscribers can lock in a price of $490 per year until 2027. User interface and customization. Users can now rearrange toolbar sections even if some command icons are hidden due to screen resolution constraints. Improvements to the export process for STL and OBJ files have been made, enhancing reliability and performance. Performance enhancements. Various performance improvements include faster processing for sketch commands, reduced memory costs when importing large files, and significant speed-ups in commands like mirror and change parameter. Design enhancements. Enhanced configuration features allow manual movement of rows and columns in the configuration table and the addition of a search field to find configurations faster. The fastener library has been expanded with new features like favorites and the ability to replace fasteners, alongside the addition of 1,000 new standard parts. What are some tips and tricks for maximizing efficiency in Autodesk Fusion? 1. Utilize keyboard shortcuts. S opens the toolbox for quickly accessing frequently used commands. L. Start a new sketch line. C. Start a new sketch circle. D. Add a dimension to a sketch. E. Extrude a sketch. Question: Press Pull tool for modifying faces. 2. Organize your projects. Component organization. Break down complex designs into components and subcomponents to manage them more easily. Naming conventions. Use clear and consistent naming conventions for bodies, sketches, and components to quickly identify and manage them. 3. Use parametric modeling. Parameters. Define parameters for dimensions and use them consistently across your design. This makes updates easier and ensures consistency. Formulas. Utilize formulas in parameters to create relationships between different dimensions. 4. Leverage Fusion 360's cloud capabilities. Collaboration. Use the cloud to collaborate with team members in real time. Version control. Take advantage of version control to track changes and revert to previous versions if needed. 5. Customize the user interface. Toolbars. Customize toolbars with your most used tools for quick access. Workspace layouts. Arrange and save workspace layouts that suit your workflow. 6. Master the timeline and browser. Timeline management. Use the timeline at the bottom of the screen to manage and reorder features in your design. Browser organization. Use the browser on the left to organize components, sketches, and bodies for easy access. How does Autodesk Fusion integrate with other software and technologies? Autodesk Fusion 360 integrates with various software and technologies to provide a seamless workflow for design, engineering, and manufacturing. Here are the key integrations and how they enhance functionality. 1. CAD software integration. Autodesk ecosystem. Fusion 360 integrates smoothly with other Autodesk products like AutoCAD, Revit, and Inventor, allowing for easy import and export of design files. This enables users to utilize different tools within the Autodesk suite efficiently. Third-party CAD tools. It supports importing files from other popular CAD software such as SolidWorks, Cassia, and Siemens NX. Formats like STEP, IGES, and STL are commonly used for this purpose, facilitating collaboration across different platforms. What are some common challenges users face with Autodesk Fusion? Steep learning curve. Fusion 360 is a powerful software with a wide range of features, which can be overwhelming for beginners. Learning to navigate the interface and understanding the various tools and functionalities can take time. Performance issues. Users may experience lag or crashes, especially when working with large assemblies or complex designs. This can be frustrating and impact productivity. Compatibility problems. Compatibility issues with hardware or operating systems may arise, leading to software malfunction or limited functionality. Documentation and support. Despite Autodesk's efforts to provide comprehensive documentation and support resources, users may still encounter difficulty finding answers to their questions or resolving issues. Version updates. Updates to the software may introduce new features or improvements, but they can also lead to compatibility issues with existing projects or plugins. File management. Managing project files and versions can be challenging, particularly for collaborative projects involving multiple team members. Modeling complex geometries. Creating and editing complex geometries can sometimes be tricky, requiring advanced techniques and careful attention to detail. Exporting and importing files. Users may face difficulties when exporting Fusion 360 files to other software formats or importing files from other CAD software into Fusion. Subscription costs. While Fusion 360 offers a free version for hobbyists and startups, The full-featured version requires a subscription, which may be costly for some users or organizations. Internet dependency. Fusion 360 requires an internet connection for certain features, such as cloud storage and collaboration tools. This can be inconvenient for users with limited or unreliable internet access. What training and support resources are available for Autodesk Fusion users? Autodesk Fusion 360 users have access to a variety of training and support resources to enhance their skills and troubleshoot any issues they may encounter. Here are some of the main avenues. Autodesk Learning Portal. Autodesk provides an extensive learning portal specifically for Fusion 360 users. It offers a range of tutorials, videos, webinars, and documentation covering various aspects of the software. Official Autodesk Fusion 360 YouTube channel. The official YouTube channel for Fusion 360 contains tutorial videos, tips, and tricks directly from Autodesk experts. Fusion 360 Online Help. The online help documentation provided by Autodesk covers every aspect of Fusion 360. It includes detailed explanations, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Fusion 360 Forums. Autodesk hosts community forums where users can ask questions, share tips, and engage with other Fusion 360 users. These forums are a great place to get assistance from both Autodesk staff and experienced users. Autodesk University. Autodesk University (AU) offers online courses, workshops, and events covering a wide range of Autodesk products, including Fusion 360. These resources are often more in-depth and cater to users at different skill levels. Local user groups and meetups. Many cities have Fusion 360 user groups or meetups where users can connect with others in their area, share knowledge, and learn from each other. Third-party training providers. There are numerous third-party training providers that offer courses, workshops, and online tutorials for Fusion 360. These range from free resources to paid courses, depending on the provider and the level of instruction. In-app tutorials and help. Fusion 360 itself provides in-app tutorials and help resources to guide users through various features and workflows. These resources are often interactive and can be accessed directly within the software. What is the future outlook for Autodesk Fusion? As of my last update, Autodesk Fusion 360 was positioned as a powerful cloud-based CAD/CAM tool with a growing user base, particularly among designers, engineers, and manufacturers. Its future outlook seems promising, given Autodesk's ongoing investment in the platform and its commitment to continuous improvement and innovation. Some potential areas for future development and growth in Autodesk Fusion 360 might include expanded features and functionality. Autodesk is likely to continue enhancing Fusion 360 with new features and capabilities to address the evolving needs of its user base. This could involve improvements in areas such as simulation, generative design, collaboration tools, and integration with other software solutions. Integration with emerging technologies. As technologies like AI, machine learning, and augmented reality (AR) become more prominent in the design and manufacturing industries, we may see Autodesk Fusion 360 integrating these technologies to provide users with more advanced capabilities and workflows. Enhanced collaboration and cloud capabilities. Fusion 360's cloud-based nature makes it well-suited for collaboration among geographically dispersed teams. Autodesk may further enhance its collaboration features and cloud capabilities to make it even easier for teams to work together in real time on projects. Focus on accessibility and education. Autodesk has shown a commitment to making Fusion 360 accessible to students, educators, hobbyists, and startups through various licensing options and educational initiatives. This focus on accessibility and education is likely to continue, helping to grow Fusion 360's user base and ecosystem. Industry-specific solutions. While Fusion 360 already caters to a wide range of industries, including automotive, aerospace, and consumer products, Autodesk may develop more industry-specific solutions or workflows within Fusion 360 to better serve the unique needs of different sectors. Why choose Autodesk Fusion? Autodesk Fusion 360 is a popular choice for a variety of reasons. All-in-one solution, Fusion 360 integrates CAD, CAM, and CAE tools into a single platform, allowing users to design, simulate, and manufacture products all within one environment. Cloud-based collaboration. Fusion 360's cloud-based nature enables real-time collaboration between team members, regardless of their location. This facilitates smoother communication and workflow management. Accessibility. Fusion 360 offers flexible subscription options, including free licenses for students, hobbyists, and startups, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Parametric modeling. Fusion 360 utilizes parametric modeling, allowing users to easily make changes to their designs by adjusting parameters rather than starting from scratch. This enhances efficiency and design iteration. Simulation and analysis. Fusion 360 includes built-in simulation and analysis tools, enabling users to test the performance of their designs under various conditions before prototyping, thus reducing costs and time to market. CAM capabilities. Fusion 360 provides comprehensive CAM capabilities, allowing users to generate toolpaths for CNC machining directly from their CAD models, streamlining the manufacturing process. Generative design. Fusion 360 offers generative design tools that leverage advanced algorithms to optimize designs based on specified constraints, resulting in lighter, stronger, and more efficient components. Community and learning resources. Autodesk provides extensive learning resources, tutorials, and a vibrant user community around Fusion 360, making it easier for users to learn and master the software. Advantages of Autodesk Fusion online training. Accessibility. Online training allows participants to access learning materials anytime, anywhere, as long as they have an internet connection. This flexibility is especially beneficial for individuals with busy schedules or those located in remote areas. Cost-effective. Online training often eliminates the need for travel expenses associated with attending in-person training sessions. Additionally, many online courses are more affordable compared to traditional classroom-based training. Self-paced learning. Online training modules typically allow learners to progress at their own pace. This flexibility accommodates different learning styles and ensures that participants can spend more time on challenging topics if needed. Interactive learning. Many online training platforms incorporate interactive elements such as quizzes, simulations, and multimedia content to engage learners. This interactivity enhances the learning experience and promotes better retention of information. Updated content. Digital training materials can be easily updated to reflect the latest features and best practices in Autodesk Fusion software. This ensures that participants have access to current and relevant information. Community support. Online training often includes forums or discussion boards where participants can ask questions, share tips, and connect with fellow learners. This sense of community can be valuable for support and collaboration. Certification. Some online training programs offer certification upon completion, which can enhance participants' resumes and validate their skills to potential employers or clients. Scalability. Online training can accommodate a large number of participants simultaneously, making it a scalable option for organizations looking to train multiple employees in Autodesk Fusion. Why choose ProExcellency for Autodesk Fusion online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Autodesk Fusion online training could be beneficial for several reasons. Expertise. ProExcellency may have a team of experienced trainers who are proficient in Autodesk Fusion software. Their expertise ensures high-quality training that covers all aspects of the software comprehensively. Customized training. They may offer tailored training programs to suit different skill levels and learning objectives. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced user, ProExcellency might have courses designed to meet your specific needs. Interactive learning. Online training with ProExcellency might involve interactive sessions, practical exercises, and real-world examples, fostering a hands-on learning experience. This interactive approach can enhance understanding and retention of the material. Flexibility. Online training allows flexibility in scheduling sessions according to your convenience. Whether you're a busy professional or a student, ProExcellency's training programs might accommodate your schedule. Cost-effective. Compared to traditional classroom training, online courses offered by ProExcellency might be more cost-effective. You can save on travel expenses and accommodation while still receiving quality instruction. Access to resources. Enrolling in ProExcellency's training program may grant you access to a variety of resources such as video tutorials, study materials, and forums for discussions and support. Certification. Completing a training program with ProExcellency might provide you with a certification, which can enhance your credentials and career prospects in the field of Autodesk Fusion. Thank you.